Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to reply to a message from shared links on WhatsApp web using the latest update. If you use WhatsApp on your computer, this small but super handy feature will make your chat smoother and more organized. So let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and log into your account. You can do that by scanning the QR code with your phone, just like you normally do. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a few icons there, including one for media, links, and documents. Go ahead and click on the media icon. After that, choose the links tab. This is where all the links shared in your chats are neatly stored. You'll see a list of links shared across your conversations. Perfect if you're trying to find an old article, video, or website without scrolling endlessly through messages. Now, find the link you want to reply to. When you've located it, right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From there, select reply. Once you do that, a chat box will open showing that specific link at the top as a reference. You can now type your reply just like you normally would in a chat. Maybe you want to share your thoughts about the link, continue a conversation, or simply drop a reaction. Whatever it is, type it in. Finally, hit the send button. And that's it. Your reply will be sent directly to the original conversation, linked with that specific shared link, keeping everything tidy and easy to follow. This new feature on WhatsApp web is great for keeping your chats organized, especially if you work from your computer or manage group discussions. No more searching through messages, just reply straight from the links tab. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to follow for more practical tech tips like this one.